Snap the ring open and firmly hold the side of the ring with the knife edge pointing towards your piercing. With your other hand, hold the lobe steady. Gently push the edge of the ring into the piercing until it comes out the back. To close the ring, push the two sides of the ring together. You should feel it snap closed. Rotate the ring to show any decorative element. Rotate the ring until the closure is in front of your piercing. Use a mirror if you need help finding it. With one hand on each side of the closure, gently pull the sides apart and slide out of the ear. If it is difficult to push the post through your piercing, put a small amount of lubricant, like Neosporin, on the edge of the ring and it should glide in easily.